What's up, guys? It's me, Gamer Boy, and now I'm going to be playing a game called Project Romulus. This game is really hard, even on easy mode it's hard. So yeah, let's get into the video in 3, 2, 1. Wait, also I'm on the controller. Some of the games that have, you can use a controller for it, and that's really healthy. This right here, where it is, right here. This is really good for this game. So let's get into the video. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was loud. Okay, so like that. Okay. Oh, what the? How? You're so delayed. How? What? Someone's gone. Oh yeah. No, that blue thing. That blue. You know what? Just don't mind that picture. That's just me when I was on my birthday. Okay. Let's move that. Let's move this. Don't worry about this wallpaper. It's just a me. This is me for my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Yay. Okay, let's play another game. Let's play some Minecraft. I haven't played Minecraft. Minecraft. I'm gonna start. So I'm just a little yawning. What's taking so long? Every time I log into Minecraft, it is only 4 slides left. Ten minutes later. 20 minutes later. Come on! 1 eternity later. My mouth is flickering, but there it is. Come on. Yes! Okay, no, I don't want to do this. No, come here. Yeah, this is a perfect skin right here. Let's press play, and let's go into, let's see, New World, Survival, Survival. Hello? Sorry, it's getting a little, yeah. What's taking so long? It's only been like, I don't know, like 4 minutes already. About 4 minutes and just not work. Just come on, where's my time? Boom, there we go. Finally. Is that 4 or wait, is that 4? Let's not worry about that. Treasure map. Treasure map. Protect babies from hostile mobs. Okay, I will. Ouch. Sprint. What? Why am I some. Are you kidding me? It just started moving. There we go. That was bad. I'm not gonna. Oh! Goodbye. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Okay. What the heck? Wow. This is really powerful. That's bad. The wood. There's the wood. What does? How much wood is here? You know what? This volume too loud. Volume. How you turn this down? Volume. How you turn this volume? Help me. Okay. Volume. Let's turn it down right here. Come on. Okay. That was like way too loud there. Let's do this. Crafting table. There we go. I don't have it. I don't have more wood. Wait, what? Wait, what are you? That was kind of weird. Some sticks. Ooh, a twig. Well, we have that many sticks. Okay, let's go. There's more wood. This song is so really. Okay, come on. I at least need to get a diamond sword. Diamonds. I just at least need some diamonds at least. Oh, we need crafting table. How about me? Ow. Let's get out of here. There. This. I don't have any sticks. Oh, we can make it. We can't. That's so hard. Yes, we can. Now that's a shovel. No, I need a sword. There we go. That's a sword. There, the sword. Woohoo! I got a wooden sword. Oh yeah. Now there are baby sheep. Do I have to kill it? Yeah, but I'm not even hungry. Oh hello. Don't. Okay. Let's do this. No. Ohio on the stream. Don't know how to do it. No, we only make a hole. No, what are you doing? There we go. Okay, let's get back up. There we go. Oh, not cute, so. Ooh, that's just me. Look at this. I have to. Okay, I have to. I can't you cook it. Ooh, okay. Oh, let's get my stick out. No, get my stick. Yeah, I need a paper. Ow. Wait, what? Why is there a sunflower in here? Oh, what? I've never seen a sunflower before. Okay, let's get it. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay. Coal. Coal, I need coal. That's iron, that's not coal. I need iron. Come on. I'm not even thinking about it. I need to find a way out of here. Oh, great, I went that far? Ugh. I went that far, I'm stuck. Went that far, I'm stuck? How am I stuck? This. Are you kidding me? No, I'm stuck here. Ugh, there's no way to do. Just go down. Oh, this is a bad idea. I need to back up. Oh, now I'm stuck now here. Okay. Okay, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you like it. Just subscribe, leave a notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video, and comment down below Minecraft survival if you want me to play Minecraft in survival mode again. So, I hope you like it. Leave a like, subscribe, and subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell notification, the bell, so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Bye!